Welcome to know about email marketing for Clickbanks. Why email marketing is so powerful for Clickbank affiliates? Email marketing is the single best way that I know of to build authority with your audience, while at the same time sharing beautiful content. If you sign up for ClickFunnels, you can use their built-in email marketing software called Actionetics. So maybe you can make a list of the top 10 problems that your ideal prospect is likely to face, and you could then write up 10 email newsletter campaigns that address each of those problems. At the end of each email, you could have a short call to action that promotes your affiliate's offer. Click the link below this video for more updates. As you can see, having an affiliate bridge funnel as your front end, and then a super powerful email newsletter campaign as your back end, can be a tremendously way to promote any affiliate offer, or any offer that you have in mind. It can also be a ton of fun, and it's another reason why I recommend you to choose a niche that you're truly passionate about, so you can focus on creating breathtaking content as frequently as possible, and sharing it with your prospects with enthusiasm. Writing a killer email follow-up campaign. Writing a beautiful email follow-up campaign is the easiest thing in the world. That being said, a lot of my friends and colleagues get stressed out because they're not sure where to start. The best advice I give you is to focus on creating amazing content that's designed to help your end users. Focus on keeping your end users entertained and subscribed over the long haul. That way, every time you email your subscribers, hopefully they will be happy to read what you have to say, and if all goes well, they'll also check out your affiliate recommendations. So focus less on trying to sell, and focus on more delivering value. If your subscribers appreciate your stuff, maybe they will stick around and become lifelong fans, which is always a very awesome goal for all email newsletter writers and affiliate marketers to have. What do people who use ClickFunnels and Clickbank know that you don't? Anyone can succeed at promoting Clickbank products, and ClickFunnels makes it very easy. Thanks for watching this video.